Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to delete a Google Gemini shared chat. So the first thing you're going to do is to go over to the sidebar where you have settings, click on settings and go to your public links. So when you click on your public links, it's going to take you to all your shared chats. Here you get to select which chat you would like to delete. So if you want to delete the first one, T-Rex, King of Dinosaurs, you have to go over to the top right corner of that chat box, and then you have two options to copy or to delete. The delete icon looks like a trash bin. So you select delete public link and it's going to ask you to confirm. And then you can go ahead and delete it. That means anyone who has access to this link will no longer have access to that chat anymore. If you have multiple chat links that you would like to delete, you can come over here to delete all links. And when you click this, it's going to delete everything that you have. And there you have it. That's how to delete a Google Gemini shared chat.